BYOK sounds like a simple trick to cut AI costs. Bring your own API key, connect it to an AI tool, and now you pay the model provider directly instead of paying through someone else's subscription. Sometimes that is genuinely cheaper, but not always. The real question is not, does BYOK save money? The real question is, who controls the usage, the model choice, and the billing? Here's the simple version. Most AI tools charge in one of three ways. First, a flat subscription. You pay $20, $50, or a few $100s a month, and the tool hides the model cost inside the plan. Second, usage-based pricing. You pay based on messages, credits, tokens, or workflow runs. Third, BYOK. The app gives you the interface, workflow, or product layer, but you connect your own model provider key. That means the AI usage shows up on your provider bill, not inside the tool's bill. BYOK can save money in three common situations. Second, model choice. BYOK lets you optimize costs by using smaller, cheaper models for simpler tasks. Third, transparency. With BYOK, the cost is visible. You can see which project is spending money, which model is expensive, and whether one workflow is burning tokens because of long prompts or repeated calls. That visibility matters because AI costs are not only about price per token, they are about behavior. How many times does the app call the model? How much context does it send? Does it retry? Does it cache? Does it use a large model when a small one would work? A cheap API key can still become expensive if the workflow is wasteful. Now, when does BYOK not save money? If a subscription includes generous usage and your usage is heavy, the flat plan might be cheaper. If your team needs enterprise controls, central billing, support, audit logs, and admin policies, then direct API billing is only one part of the cost. And if users paste keys into random tools without governance, BYOK can create security problems. API keys are credentials. They should not be casually exposed in client-side apps, shared spreadsheets, or browser-only prototypes. This is where BYOK becomes less of a pricing trick and more of an architecture decision. For a personal tool, BYOK might simply mean, I connect my own key and pay for what I use. For a business AI app, the better question is, can we build a controlled interface around that key? Who can trigger the AI action? Which data can the model access? Can we review outputs before anything happens? Can we log usage? Can we change models later? Can we keep the key out of the user interface? That is also where a platform like UI Bakery can fit. If you are building an internal AI app, the hard part is usually not just calling the model, it is connecting to databases and APIs, giving the team a usable interface, controlling permissions, and triggering actions safely. UI Bakery is one example of an app-first platform for that layer. So the practical rule is this: BYOK saves money when it gives you control of the model, usage, billing, and the workflow around the AI call. It does not save money just because the letters sound technical. Before choosing BYOK, ask 4 questions. 1. How many AI calls will this workflow make per day? 2. Which model does each task actually need? 3. Who is allowed to use the key? 4. Where will we monitor cost and usage? If you can answer those, BYOK can be a smart way to avoid bundled markups and pay closer to real usage. If you cannot answer them, BYOK may just turn one predictable subscription into a surprise API bill. The goal is not to bring your own key, the goal is to bring your own control.